going to talk about germs and washing hands. So washing hands, first we need to put water first, and then soap, and then but we have to sing a happy birthday song. So say like this, like so sing happy birthday like this. Like put water in your hands and then put soap. And then sing that happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Snake, that happy birthday to you. Until then you need to wash your hands with the soap and then clear with water. So the thing is that about germs, they're really invisible and tiny. So we can't even see them. But about washing hands is really serious. Not only about germs, even washing hands. If you sneeze like this, then this one is much more better on full sleeves. But if you sneeze on like kind of these kind of dresses, yeah, if you sneeze in your elbow, you have to go and wash your hands. But even about talking about germs, they're even important. Even washing hands and even talking about germs, they're both important. You can't even forget them. Come on, let's talk about them. So about germs, you always need to wash your hands and talk about germs. So talking about germs, they're really tiny and visible. So you can't even see them. Like if I sneeze on my hands, and the germs will get on my hands. But if I touch on another people will get sick. And then if the other people touch on another person, they'll get sick. And then each person touching on every people on the school, they will all get sick and they won't even come to school. So it's really important to talk about that. So about germs, it's really tiny and small. And even they're visible. So you can't even see them if you sneeze. So if you're sneezing on kind of these kind of things, you have to go straight away and wash in your hands and even here. Because the germs might even not move. Because sometimes the germs might move all the way to here, but still there'll be more germs coming. More and more germs. So you have to wash even here, so all the germs won't keep coming. And even wash here, and wash here, and wash all the way here, because sometimes the germs will come and come. So that's why you need to come like this. So about talking it, let's go and wash our hands. First put water and even pull up your sleeves. And look in the mirror and then keep washing. And now you put kind of soap. And now sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Smigda. Happy birthday to you. So even washing through your fingers, washing through your nails, and washing through your wrist. That's it. Now you gotta turn and then wash here like that. Keep washing and then you're done. But sometimes there'll be more soap here. See it? So you gotta keep washing. And even sing happy birthday again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to say that. Happy birthday to you. So even about washing hands, let's talk in the bedroom again. But even you have to dry your hands. So dry. Okay, so if we don't have this kind of thing, we use a tissue. Thanks, Anna. Okay. Use a tissue, but pull it there, and then
Light it.
and even switch on the light if you forget still. Oh, just like this. Wash your hands. Sometimes the drops will go in through, and even then pull up your sleeve and wash it.
Wash it, rather dry it.
You even have to dry it. Sometimes if you don't have tissue rolls, and you don't even have kind of towels, you have to put your hands on the heater. That will even get dry. So let's talk about it in here. So we learned how to wash our hands. While washing hands is really important, even talking about germs. Both are important, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy. Bye!